Okay, Joey didn't want to do this. My brother wasn't going to go around. He said it was, you know, too bad, too snowy, too windy. I'm going to go around the house right now. He just went inside. I heard him go in the basement. So I'm going to go over down and go mess with the basement window. Let's see. Can I get to the basement window? Not that one. Let's go to the backyard. Oh, wow, no. Alright, this one sounds good. Let's see what happens. I just got like totally buried and covered in snow. This is not worth it. Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm going back.